Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where we're going to be using and reviewing the Bissell Spot Clean Stain Remover. My mum bought this for me like a year ago when I started YouTube, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be so good because I can clean the couch with it. I haven't done anything. So I really want to use it. Cleaning out the laundry has sort of said you really need to do it. So we're going to open it up for you guys. I'm going to clean parts and then give you my feedback of what I think. So I'll just move the camera down, we'll unpack together and do everything. So many bits and pieces in this box. I thought let's just pull it all out and see if there's any instructions. So there's a smaller head here and the bigger head here, and all the other bits that click in and hold things and whatnot. I have seen on other people's channels what they've done. I probably should have re-watched. Oh, we've got a bottle of cleaning product here and the main machine that's here. Pull it out, and another bottle of cleaning. So yeah, I guess we'll have a look at instructions and see if we have any idea. Oh no! Scott, I need like a Lego man, master builder to put this together for me. Alright, master builder is here. I think this goes under there. Oh, there's instructions on this thing. Are they better instructions?
Yeah. We need some water.
We need some water. Okay. Does it go in this one?
Yeah. That's it too.
Oh, okay. We're gonna put this one in.
No, water first.
Okay, yeah, water first. Fill the tank. Shake the bottle and use formula according to machine user guide. Fill tank to formula fill lines.
It does say fill it with water. I have no, it is missing.
Oh, so I fill, no, a large area. We're going to do all the couches.
Yeah, water, yeah.
Fill to there and then fill to there. Okay, shall I go fill with water?
Pause and move the camera.
Plug in the unit and press the power button beneath the handle to turn it on. Oh, that helps. Oh. What?
You just press it. Oh, yes. I just press my
Release the clip hose. Select the tool. Hold it above the carpet or upholstery to be clean. Press the trigger to moist. Let the cleaning formula sit for 5 minutes before cleaning. Right, vacuum first. I'm going to vacuum the couch first. So yeah, I gave the whole couch a bit of a vacuumed and pulled out all the cushions, and you suddenly start vacuuming parts that you've never vacuumed before. Oh, it's a workout, let me tell you. I found that sitting down and doing the cushions leaning over the top was probably best, and applying the product was an interesting learning curve. I probably didn't spray it in some of the right places, so I had to go over a few bits where I can see it hasn't wet at all, and then pre-treated all of the couch that was here. All right, well, I've just done one couch cushion. I'm super impressed. Probably can't see that very well. Super dirty. I'm going to do the rest of the cushions and then I'll empty that and film it for you. Okay, so here is the container. I'm glad we didn't make it to the full line. Full. Alright, so let's empty. Oh yeah, someone was saying if you Alright, that was unexpected. Hey! Oh, my hair. Alright, I think we'll just leave that to chill. So it was really late at night when I was filming this, so of course my flash has come on automatically on my phone camera, so it's looking worse than what it is. The couch wasn't really all that wet, it was a little bit damp to the touch, but it dried within a couple of hours, so I was really happy with that overall. Can still see some parts I've clearly missed. And then the next day I filmed it in the daylight just to kind of see what it looked like. I think it's looking much better than what I started with, so I'm really happy. And again, yeah, I can see the spots that I've missed for sure. There were a few deeper stains in there. I'm happy that they've lifted, they're not as dark, so definitely a learning experience. Whew, that was a workout. I love it. I love watching the water getting sucked up. Absolutely. It's still wet and probably might need another bit of a pass over. I don't know. Some bits didn't seem to be moving as much. So I expected to draw up more water though. So probably the couch is wet. But first time use, you're gonna make mistakes. I watched some other people and they said the same thing. It takes a couple of hours to dry. So I'll show you some of the before and afters, and then you can see where some of the wet patches are. So I'll come back in a few hours and just record it again and see if it's dried, see if I do another pass over to get any more out. I find that the smaller one is easier for application of the liquid, and then I left it for 5 minutes, and then the bigger one is easier to suck it all up. But you do need to make sure that you tip it a bit so you're not drawing it like a vacuum cleaner. You are pulling it a bit on its tip so it has more surface area to suction up the water. So just some feedback I've had. But yeah, full workout. I'm glad I sat down to sort of do the cushions here and then to bend over the couch. That's a bit more. but we shall see where we go. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Do you have one of these? Do you know someone? Do you want one? Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I think anything cleaning is really good. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.